Hello children. In this topic we will start waves, which is the second part of the unit 10th. We have seen different types of the wave. For example, sound wave, water waves, and there are many other types of the wave also. So how we can define the wave here? It is a motion of the particles which is repeated periodic motion. It is a repeated periodic motion about their mean position such that particles transfer their energy to the neighboring particles. It is repeated periodic motion. For example, let us consider a trough which contains water. When a stone is thrown in the trough, then this stone transfers energy to the water molecule. So the water molecule at this position, they start to oscillate about their mean position. When they start to oscillate about their mean position up and down, so they transfer their energy to the neighboring particle. So this particle also started to vibrate about its mean position up and down, and this particle transfer energy to the neighboring particle. So this particle started to oscillate about their mean position, and this process goes on. So we can say that particles transfer their energy to the neighboring particle. So in this way we can say that the waves travels away from the mean position of the first particle. What should be the characteristics of the wave? Characteristics: the medium should be elastic and it has property of inertia. It has property of inertia. Second, the particles should vibrate about their mean position and they transfer their energy to the neighboring particle. Third property, these particles should not displace from their mean position. We can see here that this particle is not displaced from the mean position. This particle only transfer the energy to the neighboring particle. This particle transfer the energy to the neighboring particle. This particle do not displace from the mean position. So we can say that only wave travels in all the direction, but the particles do not displace from the mean position. Now we have three types of the wave. First is called electromagnetic wave. What is electromagnetic wave? Which do not require any medium for the propagation. That is known as electromagnetic wave. For example, we can say that radio waves, light waves, ultraviolet rays, X-rays, etc. Second is mechanical wave. The wave which required material medium for the propagation. Which required medium for the propagation. That is known as mechanical wave. For example, sound wave, which requires air for the propagation. Second is water waves, which requires water for the propagation. So these are the example of mechanical wave. And third type of the wave, that is known as matter wave, the wave associated with the moving particle. The wave associated with the moving particle is known as matter wave. For example, if the electron is traveling in the direction, then it is matter wave. Now the types of the mechanical wave, we have two types of the mechanical wave. First is called transverse wave and second is known as longitudinal wave. So in the transverse wave, we can say that this is a string fixed at the one end. If we give the jerk at this point, then we can say this type of the diagram forms. We can say here that wave is traveling in this direction. This is the direction of the wave. First diagram, second diagram, third diagram, in this diagram, the wave is traveling in this direction. Now, these are the particles of the medium. These are the particles. These are moving upward. These particles are moving downward. Now, we can say here, this is the direction of the particles. This is the direction of the wave. And they are perpendicular to each other. If they are perpendicular to each other, so it is known as a transverse wave. The transverse wave travel in the form of crest and trough. In the form of crest and trough, we can see here, this is transverse wave, this is crest, this is trough, this is crest, this is trough, and the distance between crest and crest or the trough and trough, this is known as wavelength, lambda. How we can define crest here? The maximum displacement in elevation is known as crest. The maximum displacement in the form of trough is known as trough. Second is longitudinal wave.